Adamson. Here in the fourth set, once again, Noel Zarate with the Remulla sisters, and to my left, and Ivy somewhere in the back. Diaz!
Oh, nanggigil si Jane Diaz.
And that's not gonna get it done para sa Perpetual. Lamang na siyam ang Adamson. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Adamson wants to end this in this set.
Oh, look at that defense.
Cases, yan tuloy. So the defense of Adamson leading directly to a point.
And kita mo yung habol, no? A ball that was almost impossible.
Right. Yung sinasabi nga rito ngayon ng mga Twitter fans natin again, Ron Flores Perea, if Adamson loses, yes, there will be a triple tie. We can explain that. But at the rate Adamson is going right now, iiwasan na nila yon. They want outright number 2. And Sandra De Los Santos, sabi maghintay lang kayo, hindi pa tapos itong laban na to. Mahaba pa to. Huwag na natin muna daw pinag-uusapan.
It's a 9-point lead. Pero nakita naman natin, no, in previous set, Sandra De Los Santos at the service line kung ilang puntos din yung naibigay niya for the Lady Altas.
We will explain the ties later on. Ang dami na nagtatanong bigla. And Pineda. Here is Soriano. They must win this in 4. Yun lang ang bottom line dito, guys. Adamson must win this in 4. Outright number 2 na sila pag nagawa nila yon. Tondada, napalakas, Pineda finds it.
Natatawa na lang.
Siya. Well, wala naman talagang tao doon.
Still a point.
Yup, look at the colorful clips again.
Hanggang ngayon yung parang...
The Bagnita line. Yan, pwede, no?
Pwede, yun yung collection.
Collection by Bagnita. Diaz. Top spin. Bang! Into the net. 2010. Malayo-layo pa rin ang habulin itong Perpetual, but they'd better start now. Joy Cases, maganda nilaro ng ating third set. Tignan natin kung maka-ace on ace na naman siya rito.
Good serve.
That's a safe serve though. Makatuno. Pineda. Argarin. Diaz. Benting. For Pineda. Off the block. Sartin. Nice block by Paat. Para slow motion eh. Nice, sabi ni Diaz. Eto na naman tayo.
But that's the tendency, you know. Diaz has the tendency. Maganda yung atake niya. Pero nakikita mo na may mga moments na nanggigigil talaga siya.
Right. At kailangan siya bigyan ng tranquilizer ni Jason Sapin ngayon. Dito sa ating timeout.
mo lang eh. Kayang basagin ng bola din. Ang laki-laki na lamang nila, oh. Binibigyan nyo pa ng puntos. Paikutin nyo.
Paikot tayo sa amin.
Paikot.
Well, so far so good para dito sa Adamson sa ating fourth set. Nagtatanong, ba't di daw naglalaro si Mayat sa Panta? Wala, trip lang ni Sherwin Beses na hindi pa laruin.
Well, actually, of course, yun yung magiging ano natin. We have guest players or reinforcements part of the lineup. So normally, magkakaroon syempre ng konting disruption yan dun sa normal starters.
Oh my goodness. Pati ako napangiwi doon sa Mintis ni Guevara. Substitutions, we saw them earlier in the game. Guillermo coming back in for Diaz and Suyat coming in for Argarin. And now Guillermo will be the setter. Tignan natin kung mahabol ito. Guillermo dati may ginawang rally. I don't remember who against. Pero no siya yung setter, gumanda yung takbuhan nila. Nasa bunot lang yan talaga minsan as Benting goes long. So 21-12. Once again, Guillermo. Makatuno, across, Benting. Oy, check ball from Sartin. Palitan na naman ang tao dito para sa kupunan ng Adamson as Makatuno sits and Emnas, the backup setter, returns. Paat serving. Good serve. Uy, munti ka na madouble yun. Emnas, Benting off the block. Guillermo, Sartin, dug up by Pineda.
Too close.
Ay, ang lakas talaga ni Benting. Grabe.
Yan ang experience. Nakikita mo, that was too close to the net. Could have been an easy point for Perpetual. Pero Benting still won that joust.
Well,
Tulak yan eh.
23-12. So looking good ng Adamson to secure the second spot overall sa ating team standings. Suyat na dumagdag first point of the game para dito kay Suyat. Jamela Suyat. 23-13. So magiging standings natin dito sa grupong ito. NU number 1, number 2 Adamson, number 3 Arellano, and number 4 ang magiging pwesto ng Perpetual heading into the quarterfinals. If this score holds up. Sandra, hindi pa daw to tapos, sabi ni Sandra.
And I guess from here we can expect that they would go a lot to De Los Santos
Ngayon,
for the points.
Tubino serving. That's an ace for Tubino.
Ito talaga, no, if we've defined the trait of Adamson, sabi natin malakas sa depensa. I think for Perpetual, ang nakikita natin, yung service nila
Right.
is really very effective.
Lahat na may ace dito sa larong ito. Listana. Emnas ahead to Benting. Nice block by Sandra. Hindi pa nga talaga tapos ito. 23-16. Nakita naman natin din yung defensive skills of the reigning MVP. Royce Tubino continues to serve. Naku.
Oh, she knew it from the time she released the ball. And you know that service error could just cost them this
That's it.
match.
Yeah, I think na it's gonna be very difficult na para sa kupunan ng Perpetual to come back from 8 match points down. Faye Guevara, they only need 1. Condada, Guillermo, Suyat, and that'll do it. 25-16. Adamson is the second seed coming out of Group A. NU number 1, Adamson number 2, number 3 will be Arellano, and number 4 will be Perpetual as Adamson wins in 4 sets. At alam naman natin na this was so crucial. Kung umabot na 5th set, mas marami tayong ikwentong komplikasyon. Meanwhile, let's look at our shaky shake and play. Nakikita natin talaga triple cannon eh. Angela Benting, dinaan sa lakas.
Oh, at saka matalino lang talagang she made it touch the hands of the blockers to get that goal.
Adamson winning in 4 sets in the final game of the elimination dito po sa Shakey's V-League Season 10 first conference against Perpetual. And Ivy Remulla, kasama po ang ating Shakey's Player of the Game.
Thank you, Noel. I'm here with the best player of the game, scoring a very impressive 18 points para po sa laban na ito. None other than Sheila Pineda. So Sheila, it was a very tight game. So you had control first 2 sets pero nawala yung 3rd set sa inyo. So ano yung ginawa ninyo para makarecover during the 4th set?
Sabi ni coach, kasi hard po yung service nila. So kahit itas lang namin yung bola para maset sa open. Yun. Tsaka medyo nag-relax kami nung 3rd set kaya lumayo yung score sa amin.
For the next coming games, ano naman yung palagay mong kailangan pang i-work ng Adamson para makasiguro kayo dun sa finals?
Siguro less error po, tapos mag-practice pa kami ng maayos para makapasok kami sa finals.
Okay, at saka ito kasi kanina pang talagang question na talagang umiikot sa mga isip ng lahat ng tao. Bakit daw bang ang tawag sa'yo?
Ano po parang nanganak na, bebang, tas bang. Tas yun.
Okay, Noel, ako muna sagot mo ha. At dahil napakaganda ng performance mo, Shakey's has a gift, a special prize for you. Meron ka bang gustong batiin?
Madami po. Thank you sa lahat ng sumasuporta sa Adamson. Sa family ko, sa kay Kian, Spelita family, Sarah, Angelica, Sheena, tapos Kubyo family, Listana family, Cortel family, tsaka happy birthday Angela Bentin.
Oy, happy birthday! Okay, thank you very much. Congratulations. Back to you, Noel and Ann.
Thank you very much. At titignan natin ang ating final team standing. So wala ka problema sa Group A. Dito sa Group B, dito natin nakita na it took this game to decide the final arrangement of the team. So NU number 1, Adamson will be the number 2 seed, Arellano number 3, and Perpetual number 4. At mga kalaban nila in the other group will be Ateneo, UST, Lasal, Dasmariñas, and San Sebastian. At magsisimula na po ang ating quarter-final round. Next time you join us dito po sa Shake Ace V-League. On behalf of the Remulla Sisters, ito po si Noel Zarate. Paalam!